Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Right now the crypto market is sitting at a very critical stage. If you have been paying attention to it, the last 24 hours might have shown us a little bit of a rebound after the fatal crash that we received about 48 hours ago, but this rebound is not very promising as it was not able to break most of the altcoins out of the downtrend. Also, if you talk about Dogecoin, you can see it was not able to break above 10 cents and actually showing a little bit of sign of weakness, not finding a little bit of support. But Trump confirms interview with Elon Musk next Tuesday. At the same time, Trump's plan to fire the SEC chairman on day one when he gets into power. A lot of new whales being created for Dogecoin, and X adds a payment feature to the latest dev code release. Now, before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market and especially Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It's completely free for you, but it will be very helpful for me as it will help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people. More people pay attention to what is happening in the crypto market. They decide to, throw some money in, inflow of cash starts increasing, and the market starts going positive. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys the trend which has followed. You can see that after the downfall that we saw, which actually fell under 10 cents for Dogecoin, we were able to find support close to 8 cents, which was very shocking. And the rebound actually occurred because a lot of inflow of cash from a lot of big whales actually decided to increase significantly. And since then, we are in a little bit of a consolidation zone, not just with Dogecoin, but even if we talk about Bitcoin, something similar happened. So overall, it did fall under 50k. But after that, it was able to pretty much follow the same pattern and right now stay in a consolidation formation. But this last 1 hour, that's the scary bit, because if this, what we are seeing right now, if it decides to break the support and actually fall down to 54k, then this time it will actually fall short to the previous support, which was found close to 49,800. The reason for this is because it's clearly a downtrend that was not being able to be broken, because from 70k, where I noticed that, we were not able to break above that, we're not able to break above the downtrend since then, because the downtrend has been the same. And you guys can see, to break above that, we need to be able to get back into the 58 zone. And 58 zone, if not touched and we keep falling short down to 54, the downtrend might carry on and actually retest close to 42k. And if Bitcoin makes it back to 42k, for a fact a lot of the altcoins are going to be seeing some very big negative days, and especially we do not want to see those fatal crashes anytime soon. Talking about Trump, now you guys know Trump and Elon, they have been good friends. Elon has been donating about $45 million per month for Trump's campaign, so Trump is very happy about that, and at the same time they're both very strong supporters of crypto. Well, next Tuesday, which is not very far, just about 24 hours away, you can confirm that Trump and Elon are going to be doing an interview together. This interview can be very beneficial for the crypto market, as if they decide to mention something about crypto and they're both very optimistic about it, the market can definitely go ahead and show us a little bit of a positive trend. And at the same time, Trump has a plan of firing the SEC chairman on day one over crypto rule faces roadblocks. Now, this would be a very big deal, because you need to understand, if this goes ahead, which is, he actually stands with his words and fires the SEC chairman, a lot of the crypto, sanctions which are being placed would be actually a lot better. First of all, XRP would get out of a lot of trouble, and secondly, a lot of new cryptos which might be facing problems might actually survive. And at the same time, start talking about some whales. This whale on the first, when the Dogecoin price fell down to 12 cents, decided to purchase close to $42 million worth of Dogecoin. And when the price fell back down to 9.7 cents, another 600k. They are down $8 million just in the last 7 days, which is very hectic. But you need to understand that this time there's going to be a lot of people which will be holding for the long term. And if they do decide to hold for the long term, they're going to make the money back. And talking about X adds a payment feature to the latest dev code release. Will Dogecoin payments follow? Well, in simple terms, let's just say X payments is finally showing some signs of development stage. And once this stage actually comes to an end, they're obviously going to be implementing it into Twitter. And seeing they pretty much got their licensing done for most of the states in America, well, this might be not very far, maybe by the end of this year, or maybe the way everything is going, maybe 1st of January might be the day, or 1st of January 2025 might be the day where X payments go live. Talking about the open interest, up 4% today, and liquidations are slowly starting to calm down, sitting close to 1 million, while yesterday was sitting close to 14. Another whale is this one that is in a really interesting state because they're purchasing and at the same time selling at a very little profit, but overall they're not in a good terms because they're down $27 million. Now the TD indicator shows a sell signal on the Bitcoin's 4-hour chart, suggesting a potential correction ahead. As I mentioned, there is a very strong possibility because the way that Bitcoin is able to make this reversal, it's more like a lot of money inflow and the reversal started, but there's no such backing of seeing that Dogecoin to break the all-time high anytime soon. But if we do break short to 50k again, most likely the support will be coming close to 42. Now I'm very optimistic when it comes to crypto, but I love saying what I really feel in my videos, so that's why I'm going to let you guys know that's what I am seeing right now. Also, BlackRock Ethereum ETF nets 108 million inflow as Nasdaq seeks an option trading. So there is a lot of good things which are also happening for the crypto market, as inflow of cash and also things like BlackRock, which hold a lot of money, they're also coming into the play. Also, this chart shows a classic rising wedgie for Bitcoin. A correction can happen, which might actually push us down to 54k, but then we can actually go higher. But as I mentioned, it's really important that we do not fall all the way down to 50k. We do not want to check that support again, because if that does happen, it will be a little bit scary. Grayscale announces a new cryptocurrency investment funds. Now this is going to be life-changing because Grayscale actually putting away funds which are only going to go for crypto could be a significant amount of money. And Dogecoin's pre-2025 bull run accumulation zone strategy. Now this strategy, I read through it, it's actually quite impressive because they're expecting the Dogecoin market to do some explosiveness. Now when it comes to explosiveness, they're expecting the all-time high to hit $2.50. Now from here where we're sitting, that would be a 25x, which would be very, very happy and make a lot of you guys very excited. Ripple sets to sail for the bold Middle East expansion with DILF. Now, this is an interesting time for this to happen, but this would be a big deal. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If this video was helpful and you want more videos like this, simply subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon.